If you're using HeyGen and you're trying to figure out how to put a background back here, first thing you gotta do is click on this. Click on the image that you're using here, and then you just click on remove to get rid of this background. Now, if you don't have a script over here, this is not going to be highlighted, but if you have a script over here, then you have these icons over here, and you can click that. Click that, and then click upload, or you can use any of the stuff they have here. But if you want to upload your own thing, you click that. Find the image that you want to use. Ideally, you want the same ratio as this engine. Oh, I forgot I already had it uploaded. So that, it's going to display properly. Now this is kind of busy. I don't know how this is going to look. Let's see. And now you keep this highlighted and you set it as the background. Dude, it's big. That's okay. And that's it. Oh, let me show you this in case you don't know.
You already own a digital asset.
You click on this guy and resize him. I think I will resize him just a little bit. Now I'm going to tell you, these work pretty well. The talking avatars, if you use the other ones where you try to do some action, not so much. But these work excellent. I use these a lot. You can't actually see it in action though until after you generate it. Unfortunately, you can't listen to it.
You already own a digital asset. Most people stop there. They download something, read it, feel productive for a moment, and then nothing happens. This is where that changes. What you just downloaded is an asset, but an asset only becomes valuable when you know how to position it.
All right. You do want to listen to it, especially if you have special symbols, dashes, and stuff like that over here. The best thing to do is to take them out, because those symbols can make old boy go haywire when he gets to them. Speaking of the language and everything. Make up a language, I should say. So clean that up, take that out. And if you have anything strange in there, other than just words, comma, periods, apostrophes, and now there are probably some commands or something like that you can use. I've never used anything like that. You can, matter of fact, I think I will. You can affect the voice right here. Voice director, I like to use excited, gives it inflection and what you see here, tone is energetic, uplifting, and celebratory, clearly expressing delight and overwhelming happiness. I like that. Highly enthusiastic, exuberant, vibrant, projecting genuine excitement and joyful surprise. I love it. Apply to this voice. Let's go. All right, so let's generate.
You already own a digital asset. Most people stop there. They download something, read it, feel productive for a moment, and then nothing happens. This is where that changes. What you just downloaded is an asset, but an asset only becomes valuable when you know how to position it, how to put it in front of the right people, and how to let it grow instead of sitting idle. That's exactly what this training shows you. This isn't about building software. It's not.
Run with it. See how it does. I hope he starts with this pose right here. All right, and that's the video. If you have any questions, let me know. You can see I've been using it a while.